Humblunt hats. Get a hat on your head.
Hello everyone. So here's the scenario. You got a hat for me, you love it, becomes your buddy. You're in the weather, you come inside, hang up your rain suit and your hat so they can dry. The hat falls down, rests against the wall, flat on the floor with one side against the wall. It's a situation that I've encountered. It's a situation which got me to start figuring out how to work my own hat. So this hat falls on the ground, sits overnight, ends up like this. What do? This is what you do. You gotta find something that's going to produce steam. A tea kettle or a pot. Put some tin foil over the pot. Poke a hole in it with your pinky. So you got the steam. Now what I do is I will take a couple of sewing needles, and three actually. I'll find the center. I'll find center on the brim, right around down from the top. And we got center. You take a second pin, figure out where you want the corners at. Now this one you can still kind of see where it was cornered, right? So drop another pin right there. Then you take a third pin on the other side. Kind of fold the brim back down, get the second pin equidistant to the first as the third pin is, or get the third pin equidistant to the center pin as the first pin, so that you got a situation like this. Put your hat over steam, just the brim, right? So we're going to start with, I'm going to start with the side that's got flattened out. Okay, now the pins are there for a distance. You don't need a whole lot of steam. It'll form pretty easy. What I do is I'll stick my finger right there against the pin, put my hand even with the back of the hat up against my chest, and I'll fold it up like so and pull it around my chest like this, and that gets it formed. Now it's back to where it was, right? So then you got this side over here. Got to pull it down. Hit that side with steam. Not too much. You don't need a whole lot. Just enough to get it to move. Same thing. Put your finger on the pin. This hand, back of the hat. Pull down your chest and fold it up. Right? Boom. It's that easy. Now they're almost even. This one's still up a little bit. So pull that down. This is just the fine-tuning aspect of it. That's what I do. Thanks for joining. Humblunt.